person. I don't think.
It was most Googled question. That's why I asked you. One of the most Googled questions.
Oh, really? So why also? I think the release of this oxytocin, which is a very good chemical, the touch chemical or the sensation chemical. So it makes you feel, works on many aspects of your body.
But आजकल लोग ना क्योंकि अच्छे से नहीं सो पा रहे हैं अपने पार्टनर के साथ XYZ रीजन, क्योंकि मेरी पार्टनर स्नोर करता है, AC टेम्परेचर अप एंड डाउन, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अप एंड डाउन, लोग अलग अलग कमरे में सो रहे हैं, एंड इट्स कॉल्ड स्लीप डिवोर्स.
Yes.
Is it healthy?
No, I
don't like it.
No, I don't think it's healthy. So you can find.
As a doctor, you should tell me. Like as an individual, I think I don't like it. I don't like the concept.
Yeah, I don't think as an individual or as a doctor, because you have to think about the emotional implications, etc. No, so you do need that connection, the compatibility, so adjustment. I think some things can all be worked on. And also the other reason for the sleep divorce is also timing. There are some people coming back like from work. There's 10-11. Then that me time business, no, you have dinner, then you want to watch something till 2 a.m. The child's school is at 6 a.m. So करने को सब कुछ, it is possible, but I think there is a way to work around it. No?
You don't like this trend?
No, implications in the long run.
But लोग फिर बोलते हैं ना ये तो प्रैक्टिकल है कि किसी को किसी टाइम पे मूवी देखनी है, टीवी देखना है, किसी को जल्दी उठना है, किसी को सोना है, किसी को पढ़ना है, किसी को कुछ सुनना है, या किसी को टेम्परेचर अलग चाहिए, या कोई स्नोर करता है. bunch of things. See, I would say what all can be fixed. The snoring you can fix. Temperature, yes, you can fix to a certain degree. Like I said, we come down 2 degrees, go up, do a covering. ठीक है.